Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you these IKEA 11watt pretty early CFL bulbs. Now these are pretty interesting. I like the design of them, and I believe they're made by MegaMan. I think that's the company that made these. They're pretty unique just because of how they are designed. They're very early electronic CFLs, and you can tell just because of the exhaust tip here, where they would take out the air and put the mercury vapor mixture inside of the tube. Now I like the simple design of how it just comes up, curls around, up again, and back in. So you can have your both electrodes on either end, right in the bulb. Simple enough. Of course, the same type of design with only two areas here is done with the spiral CFLs. But this design incorporates the U-shaped tube with that design as well. Of course, very early here. The newer ones don't have that tip anymore visible. It's done inside, probably in one of the ends here, of the fluorescent tube itself. So if you look down, you can see the bend there. See the IKEA logo. 11 watts. I'm guessing this maybe replaces a 40-watt incandescent bulb, kind of by the lumens there. This one is the exact same thing. Just very cool. I love the design of these. They're a little bit dirty, but they do get to full brightness very fast. And of course, that is because of their early nature. They have a little bit higher mercury than the CFLs that we have now. As you can see, it took a second there for it to come on, but once it did, it's going to get to full brightness here very fast. And you can see the only dark part of the tube is kind of down here at the bottom, or these sides. And again, because of the high content inside, it can get to full brightness much faster. Now, looking at the bulb, it looks very yellow. It's not like that in person. I'm guessing that's because of all the sunlight I have for this video, and then a soft white bulb. It's going to probably overcompensate here a little bit. Just a cool design. I mean, look at that. It's not perfect. It's just so cool. And it's definitely the brightness of a 40-watt incandescent bulb. Very neat. Very simple. I really like it. Anyway, I really do hope you enjoyed this quick little video of these IKEA 11-watt early CFL bulbs. Also, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.